Are you looking to get fast and hassle-free fit-out approvals from Concordia and DMCC in Dubai? Then you are in the right place. Welcome back to the channel Professional Experience. I am a professional AutoCAD freelancer and 3D designer with over 13 years of hands-on technical experience right here in the UAE. Over the years, I have helped numerous businesses, contractors, and owners seamlessly navigate the strict technical drawing standards required by Dubai regulatory bodies. Getting an approval from Concordia requires meticulous attention to detail. Every single drawing must adhere to their precise guidelines to avoid comments and submission rejections. In this video, I am highlighting the exact technical drawings and essential details required for a complete professional submission package, breakdown of architectural and MEP drawings. A fully compliant submission package typically includes proposed key plans and partition layouts, defining exact structural boundaries and workspace transitions, detailed furniture plans, carefully mapped out to optimize operational space and ensure clear egress routes, reflected ceiling and specialized lighting plans, outlining exact fixture points and hanging specifications, complete MEP layouts, covering detailed power distribution, advanced HVAC systems, ventilation parameters, and essential drainage and water supply pathways. And most importantly, fire life safety systems, comprising compliant fire alarm positioning, emergency lighting pathways, and tactical firefighting plans, fully integrated with building regulations. Whether you are setting up a new cafe, retail shop, clinic, or corporate office in JLT or anywhere across Dubai, I am here to handle all your technical drafting needs. I specialize in preparing ready-to-submit drawings for Concordia, DMCC, Dubai Municipality, Trakhees, and Dubai Civil Defense. Save your time, eliminate submission stress, and get your fit-out permits approved smoothly. Let's collaborate on your next project. You can reach me directly on my phone or WhatsApp at 0554618585. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more engineering and drafting insights, and drop your comments below. Thank you for watching, and let's build something great together.